Why typewriters? I love them. I love the feel of it. I love the look at some of these old metal ring ones and love the noise. A typical day is straightening things that are bent and getting that realigned. Probably a lot of cleanings of typewriters, and a lot of customers come in and ask lots of questions. I remember when the barber first moved in next door and all his older customers kept coming in, they says, how can that guy be in business? Is he laundering money? Is he a drug dealer? And Danny would say, no, look at all the people that come in. I've had people buying from 4 years old, the parents, to 80-year-olds. I have one collector that's got 200-300 of them, and they're all different. Every model type's different. There's some that have such a smooth touch, and some you gotta hit them like you gotta take a sledgehammer to them. Being a mechanic, it's different because you have to see what they are. They can be beautiful on the outside, but a nightmare to fix on the inside. Sometimes you have to sit here and think about these repairs because every manual typer, old or new, they all had their quirks. Now everything's computerized, everything's digital, everything's this. Are these manual typers a fad? Is it something that's going to go away? Well, it's not. And now a lot of people are coming back to that. I love it when the young people come in and have interest. And they're excited about it. It's not a dead thought. It's a noise thought.